Oh, look at these little ducks. Oh, this lady's gonna run them over. Look at that. Look at them little guys. I hope nobody runs those little ones over. They're so funny looking. See, this is what I'm talking about. When you're out in the real world, things happen. You're at home watching TV, nothing happens. It seems like the day goes by a lot faster when you're at home. Like, I do so much when I'm out. I look back when I was a kid, how much stuff I used to do, like hanging doors and stuff. I can't believe it sometimes. And this is like right where Clint Eastwood made that movie, Dirty Harry, I think it was. He jumped off the bridge. They changed that bridge though to this white one here. See the white bridge there? This is where he jumped onto the school bus. The bus with all the kids in it. Look how incredible this is. There it is. See, there's the bridge way over there. And it came all the way over here and they replaced it with this white bridge. If you watch the movie with Clint Eastwood back in the 70s, that was the bridge. All this excitement out here. It's good to be out. Now, if you're working for someone and they're rushing you everywhere to do everything, you don't have time to think of things like that. I even have chest pains thinking of it. Anyway, be relaxed. Enjoy life. We're only here a short time. Don't get caught up in someone else's problems. If you work for a company, that's their problem. They're all trying to meet their quota so they can make money and not have to work. So what's the difference if you got into business and you kept all the money? Why are you going to do it for a little chump change? Put some lettering on your truck. People will be calling you all the time. Go make your own money. You don't need to worry about any of the high bills that you think are high today, because the bills you think are high today are going to be non-existent when you make money. But do what I tell you. Follow our modules in there. You'll be up and running within 30, 40 days, depending on if you already have a truck, all that stuff. And then once you get up and running, your phone will be ringing. You'll be going out and doing what I'm doing right now. Easy job. People will be happy. All you do is you say that, yeah, you got to do that, you got to do that. And they just say, okay, whatever you got to do, have at it. You're fixing a problem that they have, so they love it. And that's what you want when you go out to a job. www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. I've been doing it over 40 years. I was trained by the right guys. We used to do jobs all over San Francisco on hills that are off 10 inches from one side to the other on a 8-foot wide door. We did everything on garage doors. So learn the right way, do it at your own pace, and you get a lifetime access to it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.